Want 21 premium PC software completely free. Backup tools. Disk tools. AI tools. All available at no cost until December 31st. Let me show you how to claim them quickly and safely. Welcome back to the channel. Today I will guide you through the AOMEI Christmas Giveaway 2025. This offer includes 21 powerful PC tools that you can get for free, for a limited time. Let's take a look. AOMEI hosts a Christmas giveaway every year. And this time, they are providing 21 premium software tools for Windows users. These include backup and recovery software, disk and partition tools, remote access utilities, AI photo and video tools, and system optimization applications. Everything is completely free during the event period. First, open your browser. Go to the official AOMEI Christmas Giveaway 2025 page. You will find the link on my website. The website link is available in the description below. On the page, you will see all 21 software listed, along with the buttons to claim each tool. Here are some of the most useful tools included in this giveaway. AOMEI Backupper. A complete backup and restore solution for your PC. AOMEI Partition Assistant. A powerful disk and partition management tool. AnyViewer. A remote access and remote support software. AI photo and video utilities. These help you enhance images, edit videos, and create content easily. And several optimization tools that make your computer faster and more efficient. All of these tools are normally paid software, but during this event, you can get them for free. Claiming the software is very simple. Step 1. Visit the giveaway page. Step 2. Scroll through the list of tools. Step 3. Click the button that says, Get it free. Step 4. Download and install the tool on your PC. That is all you need to do. Remember, this offer is available only for a limited time. The AOMEI Christmas Giveaway 2025 ends on December 31st. Make sure you claim your tools before the deadline. For the official link, the complete software list, and full details of the giveaway, visit my website using the link in the description below. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more updates and free software deals. Thank you for watching.